What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an install and a review, and we're going to be doing a review on this hair right here. I just installed this, so this is going to be like a straight out the box into my head review. I washed it and everything. So Shika Co extensions, the Tiffany of hair is their slogan, and this is the little bag that it came in. They sent me 3 bundles of 30-inch hair, body wave. It came with this cute little card. We appreciate your business, and thank you for your business. And it just gives their Instagram and their social media info and a little code for your next order. And then each bundle came with this little tag, which tells you the texture is body wave, 30 inches bundle. And it gives you hair care instructions and some tips. So that's super cute. But honey, we're about to get into this hair. My initial review from taking it out of the package, the hair was super soft, true to length. You can see my fingers are running right through it. Minimal shedding. I'm not getting any shedding now. There was minimal shedding when I did open up the bundles, very little bit, and like when I did the install, but I'm not having any shedding now at all after styling it and installing it. And I only cut like this much of the tracks to put in the top part of my hair, but other than that, I didn't cut the bundles. I didn't cut the tracks at all. So far I'm loving this hair. I'm going to do another review video probably in like a month or so about how I'm feeling about this hair, but for now I really love it. It's super pretty. I just wet it and threw some mousse in it, and I love how it looks. It's giving me like summer vibe. I was originally gonna curl it, but I didn't curl it. I didn't want to put any heat on it because I do like the natural state, especially for the summer. It's nice and light. And this is 3 bundles. I put 1 bundle at the top, as you will see in the install video, and let's get into it.